Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a cart button to your Wix website so you can streamline your checkout process, improve your site's navigation, and make it easier for your viewers to purchase your products or software services in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the Wix editor and navigate to your header. The first step is identifying where your cart button should live. In most professional web designs, the cart icon is placed within the global header so that it remains visible and accessible from every single page of your site. Log in to your Wix editor. Move your cursor to the very top of your page and click on the header section to activate it. Ensure the orange or blue header label appears, confirming that any element you drop here will be pinned to the top of the site globally. This is the accessibility phase. In 2026, user experience, or UX, is all about reducing clicks. By placing your cart button in the header, you ensure that as your viewers browse through your how-to tutorials or market analysis, they can see exactly how many items they've added without having to navigate away from the content. Next, access the Add Elements menu. Once your header is ready, you need to find the specific store components that Wix provides for e-commerce. Click the plus icon on the left-hand sidebar to open the Add Elements panel. Scroll down the list until you find the Store category. From the submenu, select Shopping Cart. This is the integration phase. In 2026, Wix has separated standard buttons from smart buttons. A shopping cart element isn't just a static icon, it is a dynamic widget that communicates with your Wix store's database in real time to show live item counts. Next, choose your cart icon style and drag to your header. Wix offers a variety of cart styles, ranging from minimalist, amateur-quality wireframe icons to bold, colorful professional bags. Browse the available cart icons, like the classic trolley, a shopping bag, or a simple basket. Click and drag your chosen icon directly into your header. Click on the new cart icon and select the Settings or Gear icon button. Choose what happens when the icon is clicked. Usually, you want it to open Side Cart, a drawer that slides out, rather than taking them to a new page. You can also toggle the item counter on or off. And that's pretty much it. To add a cart button in 2026, go to Add Elements, Store, Shopping Cart, and drag your preferred icon into your header. Use the settings to enable the side cart behavior and adjust the design to match your brand. Finally, optimize the icon size in Mobile View and hit Publish to give your viewers a seamless shopping experience. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.